Hi, I'm Meg, and I started the Ideal Protein protocol last week. It's my first week, and last week I came in to the office and I went through some information with Dr. Paul on what foods to avoid and what foods to eat and how I might be feeling in the first few days. And then I was weighed and measured, and then I picked out my food and I went home. And I was on the program. This is actually my 8th day on the program. I'm a type 1 diabetic, so I was initially concerned about my insulin levels and if I would have to change anything on my medication. I did consult with my doctor before going on the program, and she cleared me to do so, so I did that. I initially changed a lot of, I wear an insulin pump, so I have a continuous amount of insulin going into my body. And I had to adjust my insulin levels quite a bit this week, and I've gone from probably 120 units per day on average to now about 50, 55 units per day. So it's cut my insulin levels more than in half, which I'm really surprised and excited about. Today is my weigh-in for starting week 2, and I'm going to weigh in and get my foods for the next week, and that's basically it. I did have just very little side effects. I had a slight headache, and I was advised by Dr. Paul to take some salt, and that seemed to help with the slight headache, and I didn't really have many other side effects. Maybe a little bit of hunger in between my meals, but not major. And I was able to stay on the program, which for me was very surprising because I thought it was going to be harder than it was, and so I found it actually easier to follow than I thought it was going to be. So.